Today, we're going to be downloading the game on the PlayStation Store. It's August 28th, 2023, the day I'm recording this. I wanted to make a video because there's this one individual who's not very bright, and he apparently said that the PlayStation 3 store is not working and you can't buy anything at all. So I decided to prove this individual wrong, that you could still buy games and download games in 2023. I don't know what's wrong with this individual, but they think it doesn't work. And he said that he is right. This is one of those hard-headed people that just don't understand anything. They think they're right, but they don't take the time to actually learn. If you don't know, I have a lot of videos on my channel how to help you use your PlayStation 3. But apparently, you're very hard-headed and you don't believe that you could actually, download games or even buy games in 2023. Well, here I am making the video just to prove this individual wrong. He for sure thinks that it doesn't work. I don't understand it. So right now, we're browsing games, but in all honesty, the only game that I could think of right now that I'm going to buy and download is an exclusive digital game called Hard Corps. Hard Corps Uprising is a Contra style kind of game. I've never actually played it, but I only know about it because it is a exclusive digital game that never had a physical release. So that is one of the reasons, as far as I know. I don't know if they've made a re-release of this game now, like on PS4 or whatever, but at the moment, as far as I know, Hard Corps Uprising is, in fact, digital exclusive right now on PS3 and Xbox 360. So right now, we're right here. We're going to purchase the stuff, and I'm going to pay for it right now. It's going to ask me, do you want to buy it? I'm going to go, yeah. Now, I do want to let you know that is August 28, 2023. It doesn't say 2023, but believe me, we're going to go check in the settings, and I'm going to show you. So right now, we're buying the game. We're buying it right now. And what are we going to do? We're going to download all, because I'm going to show you that you can still buy games and you could still download games in 2023. If you're having issues, once again, I have plenty of videos on my channel. If you want to watch them and learn and not be a stupid individual, you can for sure. That's right. Because if you don't want to learn, you're just a dumb individual. But if you want to learn, you're a smart individual, because in life, learning is a very valuable lesson, not being hard-headed like this individual. And keep in mind, we're not even going to put his YouTube name because it's not worth it. He's a piece of crap. And I get comments like this all the time. I usually delete them, but sometimes people need to be put in their place every once in a while. All right, so we're going to go back to the main menu because that's what we're going to need to do. I am going to show you the date right now. First, we're going to show you that I'm downloading the game right now. As you can see, it's downloading. And we're going to go to time and date. You're going to see right now. Because knowing this not smart individual, he's probably going to say that I just put a random date. Because you could, on PlayStation 3, put whatever date you want. But if you use internet, set up your date and time with internet, it will always give you what's relevant in the world of the internets. All right, so here we got date and time. Now it's 8/28/2023. Now we're going to set the time via internet. And what do we get? 8/28/2023. Now we're going to do it again. And boom, it's going to say 8/28/2023. Now, I'm pretty much done. I really didn't have to make this video. I could have just deleted the guy's comment. But I don't know, man. Some people are just not very smart, I guess. And I hope this is a good lesson for you to learn that maybe you shouldn't question people who know what they're talking about. I literally told the guy, but he insisted that he was correct and he was right and I was wrong. That is one individual who is not smart because he doesn't want to learn. I could have helped him out. Like, hey, I'll help you out on how to do it. But instead, he wanted to be the hard head about it. So whatever. Made this video. I'm done. Peace.